Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to easily start your Toyota Corolla Hybrid. First, make sure your vehicle is in park or neutral. Then, firmly press down on the brake pedal. Finally, press the power button located on your dashboard. You'll hear a chime and see indicator lights, confirming your car is ready to drive. Your key fob needs to be inside the car for it to start. If you're having trouble, the fob's battery might be low. Try holding the key fob directly against the power button while pressing it. This method often works when the battery is weak, ensuring a successful start. After pressing the power button, check your dashboard for the ready indicator light. This light confirms that your hybrid system is fully engaged and ready to drive. Remember, the gasoline engine might not always start immediately. The electric motor often powers the initial movement, especially at low speeds. If your Corolla Hybrid still won't start, check the 12-volt auxiliary battery as it powers the starting system. Also, ensure the steering wheel isn't locked, which can prevent starting. For more detailed troubleshooting, always refer to your vehicle's owner's manual. It provides specific guidance for various situations.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.